Bob Kelso here before noon. They're either giving away free donuts at the cafe or there's an Asian prostitute convention in the ICU.
Is now the time I'm supposed to be embarrassed because I like fine food and Korean call girls? Write this down, Perry. I'm old and I honestly don't care what people think about anything I do.
That was me, folks.
No, I'm here because the budget's a mess. Ted's not making much headway.
312 times 4 in 1 equals. Sir, it's not giving me the answer.
It's a typewriter, you jackass.
Oh, God, it's got my time.